Hello guys, this is CA Vishal, Jain, your faculty for ACCA, FR and SBR paper. Guys, this video is going to be super helpful for all the SBR students who are appearing SBR examinations in September 2026. Okay. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you a list of all the important topics which are relevant and super duper important for September 2026 examinations. Okay. Now, but before I give you the list, I want to make some disclaimers. Point number one. This list of important topics is solely based on my analysis of last 10 attempts, you can say past papers, last 10 attempts pre-mock papers, okay, and my discussion with my past students. So basically after every exam, I conduct a session wherein I discuss with my past students, okay, those who have given their exams, okay, to understand what type of questions were tested in the exam. And also my experience of teaching SBR students for the past around 16 batches of SBR. Now, so on the basis of all these analysis, I am coming up with a list of all the important topics of ACCA SBR. And also here in this video, I will be announcing my SBR marathon, the live YouTube revision marathon for upcoming September 2026. But yes, the details of which I will be giving towards the end of the video. So watch the video till the very end, and yes, we will give you all those details as well. So let us discuss first of all, what are the important topics of SBR? And you very well know the first most important topic is I will give you the list along with the weightage of marks also. Okay. Now, the most important topic is group accounting, which necessarily comes in the exam as part of question number 1 for 30 marks. And you know what? I have been noticing a trend in the last 3-4 exams. I have been noticing a trend that they ask group accounting in question number 1. Additionally, they ask group accounting question for 3 to 4 marks, 4 to 6 marks in question number 3 or question number 4 as well. Okay, particularly I have seen in question number 3, they do ask. So the weightage is not only 30 marks, the weightage is more than 30 marks, I can say. Okay, but a bare minimum 30 marks for sure. The second is ethics. It comes as a part of question number 2. It definitely comes in the exam for roughly around 8 to 10 marks. Definitely does come up. Okay. Now, the third one is conceptual framework. Particularly what they do here is they say that this is the definition of intangible asset as per IAS 38. Okay, now just see, compare with the conceptual framework, analyze with the conceptual framework, and conclude whether the definition of intangible asset as per IAS 38 is in line with the definition of asset as per conceptual framework or not. Or they will ask you, this is a deferred tax asset, okay, and this is what the deferred tax asset definition as per IAS 12. Is it in line with the conceptual framework? So you have to compare both the standards and then conclude whether they are IAS 12 and conceptual framework are in line with each other or they are in conflict with each other. Okay. Now, they definitely test your knowledge roughly around 4 to 6 marks. And what I have seen as per the pattern, this question is tested as part of question number 4. And now comes IFRS 18, the newly introduced topic. Okay, now they might give you a draft P&L, okay, and they will ask you to prepare prepare the P&L as per the IFRS 18 format. Or they will give you the list of P&L items and ask you to classify whether it is under operating category, investing category, or you can say financing category, or tax category, or discontinued asset, discontinued operations category. Okay, so now this can definitely be tested around 4 to 6 marks or even more than that. Okay, and it was tested in the last exam for June 2026. Also, they tested IFRS 18. Fifth one, sustainability. Again, the weightage of 4 to 6 marks for IFRS S1 and IFRS S2. Again, very important topic from an exam point of view. Again, a quite very important topic. Now, if I talk from a traditional standards point of view, like for example, leases, revenue, financial instruments, all those things, if I talk from that point of view, the important topics from an exam point of view will be leases, revenue, financial instruments, particularly I will say hedge accounting, very important from an exam point of view, deferred tax. And I have been seeing deferred tax, they are asking particularly in question number 3. In question number 3, they ask accounting treatment might be of revenue, might be of intangible asset, might be of leases. And along with that, they will ask you to show the deferred tax impact as well. Then I have seen notional goodwill. The concept of notional goodwill, where you have to test the subsidiary for impairment, and the non-controlling interest is at proportionate share of net assets method. How is notional goodwill impaired, or how is the, what is the accounting treatment of impairment of notional goodwill? What is the accounting treatment of it? Okay, what proportion of it goes to the parent? What proportion of it goes to NCI? How is the allocation of impairment loss done? Very important from an exam point of view. Then employee benefits, defined benefit obligation. From a defined benefit plan point of view, they will ask you the ceiling adjustment also in this question. They will ask you, this is the current service cost, this is the past service cost, this is the curtailment, this is the settlement. Okay, this is the, you can say, benefits paid, this is the contribution, this is the ceiling adjustment at the opening, this is the ceiling adjustment at the closing, right? And the most important question from this type of adjustment, from this type of question is Columbia Company. Columbia Company, very good question, amazing question. Columbia Company, okay, you must practice Columbia Company from an exam point of view, very important. Okay, from this point of view, I can say you should not this one. From this point of view, I should, you should definitely practice Laploid Company. Laploid Company, okay, very good question. Okay, so these are the, again, I can say cumulatively these topics will get tested in the exam for sure, roughly around 10 to 15 marks, and even more than that. I am being conservative when I'm saying this. But it will definitely be tested for more marks only. Guys, please understand, the intent behind disclosing or giving you the list of important topics is not that you should focus only on these topics and forget all the topics. No, the sole intent is, ideally you should be giving equal importance to all the topics. But once you are done with all the topics, you should give some more emphasis, some more revisions, some more practice of these topics. Okay, because these topics are quite very relevant as compared to other topics from an exam point of view. So you should give more emphasis to these topics, but it doesn't mean that you should skip other topics. You should be studying all the topics, because if you are doing selective study, you are preparing for a fail, because nothing can be predicted in SBR paper. That is, please don't take SBR paper for granted. It will cost you significantly. Okay, so please study everything, but yes, give more emphasis to these topics. Okay, on the basis of past paper trends. Now coming to the SBR marathon, guys, I will be conducting the SBR marathon as I have planned so far. Okay, but I have to decide. Okay, so as of now, I have planned to conduct SBR marathon. As of now, I have planned to conduct SBR marathon, and the date which I have planned is 5th of September. 5th of September. You have your SBR exams on 10th of September. So 5 days prior to your exams, this is a Saturday. I believe it will be an off day for all of you, because it's just 5 days remaining for the exams. Okay, so it will be off day for all of you. Considering that in point, I am conducting a marathon for full syllabus SBR marathon. Full syllabus SBR marathon on 5th of September. Saturday. It will be roughly of around 5 to 6 or might be 7 hours. Okay, wherein we'll be revising each and every important topic from an SBR point of view. But if you want me to conduct this marathon, okay, you need to comment SBR marathon in the comment box. On the basis of number of comments, I will be deciding whether you guys require this marathon or you don't require. If the number of comments are high and I believe, okay, you actually need this marathon, definitely I will be planning to conduct the marathon. Okay, so do comment and ask your friends also to comment, so that I will be deciding on the basis of that whether you guys actually need this marathon or not. Okay. Now, one more information, please do not leave. One more information, guys. I believe and I understand group accounting is an area where you guys struggle a lot, okay, because the conceptual understanding is not clear. So what I have done is I have made a list of around 30 to 32 important adjustments of group accounting, and I have discussed all of it. I have discussed all of those adjustments in this video, and I recommend all of you to watch this video. Can you see this video? SBR practice of group accounting, SBR practice group accounting. I recommend all of you to go and see. It's a video of around 4 hours 38 minutes, and this video will be of immense help in your understanding, the conceptual understanding of the group accounting concepts. Okay. Now, I will give you the link of this video in the description box of this video. I hope this helps. If you need any other help from me from an SBR point of view, do let me know in the comment box. If it is possible for me, definitely I'll help you out. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.